Alright, here we go. It is November the 4th, 2024. Right, it's Wednesday. We're at 9 p.m. The skies are perfectly clear. And, whoops, looks like we did get a little bit of snow. Yeah, we're at 21 degrees. Feels like 10 degrees. Wind's coming straight from the north. I'm not staying too long. Staying out here too long. Yeah, there's that one star right up there. I don't see a moon. Huh. There's no moon out here tonight. And oh yeah, I'm your good old Skywatch here tonight. How y'all doing? Y'all doing all right out there? Keeping warm? Hope so. Wherever you are, hope you're doing okay. How am I doing? I'm doing all right. I'm doing okay. All right. I only see 2 stars out here. That big one right up here. Just stand still. Let's see. See, that's one of them. All right. Step back there. Is that a star? Looks like a star. Yep. That's a star. Alright, that's that one. Let's get back to the other one. I don't see a moon though. Let's see. There's a lot of blinking going on up there. Up there in that background. Alright. But I think this is Jupiter right here. But it's 9 p.m. Got some moons around this star. I'm guessing that is Jupiter. There's another one off to the right. Alright. Okay. Yeah, right there. There's more back there, but camera can't pick it up. Boy, that wind's cold. Yeah, see? Trying to get the camera to focus. But it's not focusing here. There's one on the right side. I see it. I'm trying to get a close-up on it. There you go. Yeah, that's that one. it's cold out here. Thought I saw another one down there. Okay. There's some on back up here. Oh yeah, I see one down below. It's way back here. Yeah. Alright. I saw the stars. And they're facing east. Alright, post your comments below. Click that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Always helps. And yeah, keep your eyes in the skies. Alright. And keep looking up. This will be it for now. I shall talk to y'all later. I don't see any UFOs up here either. There's another star over there. Alright, it's off to the left. Looks like a red star up there. Let's see. Alright. Alright. See the one off to the left? Okay. There you are. How'd you get way over there? Alright. It's that one. Anyway, okay. There's that big main star right there. It's Jupiter. Alright, I'm gone. I'll talk to y'all later. It's cold out here. Alright, keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. And watch the moon rise. Alright, I'm gone. I'll talk to y'all later.